What is going on, guys? The Mint Garage here, back at it again for another video. In this video, doing a little bit of power steering. Let's get into it. So as y'all can see, making great progress. Last time we were here, we got the whole fuel system all set up. Next time I'm gonna come through, you see, we're gonna grind this down right here so the fitting can fit. But other than that, yeah, we also have to move the fuel pressure regulator over. We also got a fitting from online. It's a double -8 right there. So it's like this piece right here, this whole thing can come off, and the Y and the fuel filter both screw into it. I have to make another -6 line. I only have one feed and the other feed's blocked off, but so no fuel comes out of here, I'm gonna make another -6 line, which is easy. Then the fuel system will be all set. It's going next weekend to my buddy's shop to get the intercooler piping, radiators pushed forward. We have a tile wastegate that's coming. Have that out the hood, but today we get the power steering plumbed up for the most part. We have the OG original oil cooler. My fault. Power steering cooler. No, we're not gonna keep that one. It looks like shit. We're gonna get another one, but this is just for mock-up purposes only. Have it down there, and the other, this is where the hard lines come out. I have it in between there. And again, this is all temporary. This is just for mock-up purposes. We have from the reservoir to the cooler, we have a line down here. You can see, I'll go down there and show you guys. You can see it goes from down there to the cooler, reservoir to the, a reservoir to the pump. We got this this piece right here, this line right here from Suspicious to Garage. It fits directly. There's no modifications you have to fit. That you have to do. Literally, it comes with everything you need. It comes with the fittings, the line already made. You just have to screw it in. And one's a -8, and I believe the other is a -6. You can't mess it up. So I'll show you guys that in the bottom. So at first, when I got the line, I didn't think this would be long enough, but as you can see, it comes down right there. Comes down and around. We have more than enough. We also have the soft line going from the power steering rack out to the cooler. That's the line I was trying to show you. Let me try and get an overview here of everything. So this right here is that soft line that's coming from the rack. As you guys can see, follow it, goes to the cooler, and then from the cooler to the reservoir, which is this line right here. We have a line from the reservoir that's going to the we have a line that's going right here from the reservoir to the power steering pump, and then from the power steering pump back to the rack. It kind of makes like a triangle. My buddy sent me a diagram to help me out a little bit, and I'll put that in right now. If you guys are wondering, I used a 1/2-inch hose right here. And the smaller hose that I used was 3/8. So you need 1/2-inch and 3/8 soft hoses, and I got like 3 feet of each just in case. Well, the 1/2-inch like a little bit shorter because I wasn't sure. I knew it was just this, but yeah, that's it for power steering. We're also going to utilize the OEM bracket that was there. I'm gonna have my buddy weld it so that this thing sits perfectly fine right there. Again, we're gonna get another power steering cooler, and it's definitely gonna be modified. That's why I have all the hoses super long in there. As you can see, it's a mess right now. Everything's super long because that's not the final location of the power steering cooler, but it is a rough estimate, and we definitely will be getting a new one. Now I will put in Suspicious Garage information somewhere right here at their Instagram. I'm also going to put the information down in the description if you guys would like to get that power steering line. It fits perfect. Like at first I thought it was going to be too short when I ordered it, and it fit perfect. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it down in the comments down below. Peace. Give you guys a quick overview of what it looks like right now sitting on my floor. Like I said, if you guys have any questions on how I did any of this, please comment down below. And we're also gonna get a new hose. And I have the cover, it's just on my room painted out looking nice, and I'm gonna put it on the motor yet until it's done.